See, if you are getting curl F vector, where your curl F vector is equals to nabla cross F vector, it's equals to I vector, J vector, K vector, dou F by dou X, dou F by dou Y, dou by dou Z, F vector, F2, F3 vector. You know how to write this one, and you know how to find the determinant also. If this determinant it's coming as an equals to 0, then that is known as irrotational vector. If it's coming curl F vector which is not equals to 0, that is known as a rotational vector. Shall we see one problem? Aditya, ready for the
Yes,
problem?
ma'am.
Take down the problem.
Yes, ma'am.
If F vector, if F vector is equals to xy square I vector, then plus 2x square y z into j vector minus 3y z square k vector. Find curl F vector at the point 1, -1 and 1. First we'll find what is the value of your curl F vector. Then later we'll substitute the values of given points what they have given to us. Solution, we know that we know that we know that F vector will be represented as F1 I vector plus F2 j vector plus F3 k vector. And your given one is what? Given F
Ma'am,
vector.
one second. Ma'am, can I just rejoin? Because I can't see your screen.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
I'll just rejoin. Just 2 seconds.
Rejoin it.
Lagging, I think.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, ma. I'm waiting for you. Rejoin it.
Oh, hello, ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
Can you see me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Aditya.
can you hear me?
I can hear
Okay, no,
you.
ma'am, because the screen, I couldn't see the screen before. I couldn't see the screen. Yes, ma'am, I couldn't see the screen before. That's why I rejoined.
Now you are able to see?
Ma'am, I can
Now
see it now.
now you can see it. Shall I proceed for the problem? Aditya, can you able to see the screen? Aditya, you are there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now you're able to see the screen. Aditya, can you able to see the screen or not?
Yes, ma'am, I can see it now. Now I
Oh,
can see.
okay, fine. Chalo. After this, I will stop the class. Given your f vector is equals to x y square plus 2x square y into z minus 3y into z square. Now we will compare it. What we are going to get? F1 I vector plus F2 j vector plus F3 k vector, which is equals to xy square plus 2x square yz minus 3yz square. Comparing on both the sides. Comparing on both the sides, I am going to get f1 it's equals to xy square, then f2 it's equals to 2x square yz, f3 it's equals to minus 3y z square. xy square 2x square yz minus 3y z square. Curl f vector. Curl f vector, it's equals to I vector j vector k vector. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3, which is equals to I vector j vector k vector dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What all my values? It's equals to first xy square, x y square, next is 2x square yz minus 3y into z square. Now find the determinant of this one. First one, it's your I vector of. When I'm finding for I vector, my these terms will vanish. You have to cancel for this one. You have to do the product for the remaining this term 2 by 2. First you have to multiply this with this one. So what you're going to get in that case? Your dou by dou y of minus 3y into z square. When you're coming from down, from here when you're multiplying, it should be in minus. So it's going to be minus dou by dou z of 2x square y into z. Then minus j vector minus j vector. Now when you're going for j vector, you have to cancel these terms. This will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. You are left with this term, this term, this term and this term. So what you're going to get when you're multiplying this to this, you have to do. So it's going to be dou by dou x into minus 3y into z square. Now next you have to multiply this one, this. It's equals to minus dou by dou z of x into y square. Then plus k vector. When you're going with the k vector, you have to cancel this term and this term will get cancelled. You are left with this term, this and this. So you have to multiply this with this one. So in that case, what you're going to get? Dou by dou x into 2x square y into z minus of this with this. It's equals to dou by dou y of x y square. Now find the product of this one. What it's coming? Your I vector into, you have to use your uv. First time with respect to y you have to do. So you're going to get minus 3z square. Next term it's a y, so it will become 0 minus of, with respect to z you are doing, so these terms will become as a constant. Z square differentiation, it's equals to 1 minus 2x square y. Your I term, it's got over. Then next minus j vector. With respect to x you have to do. There is a no any x term in this. No x term is there in this one. So completely it will get vanish. So it's a 0, then minus. With respect to z you have to do. Even in this term there is a no z term. So that is also completely it's equals to 0. 0, then plus k vector of, with respect to x you have to do. So 4x y into z, then minus, now here you have to do with respect to y. So minus 2x y. This is your term. Now you have to substitute the values. That is the value of your curl f vector. 1 minus 1, 1 they have given. your curl F vector is equals to I vector of minus 3z square minus 2x square y. Then jth term completely it's equals to 0, j into 0, then plus k vector of 4xy into j minus 2xy. At the point, what was the point it's given? 1 minus 1 and 1. 1 minus 1 and 1.
Yes, ma'am.
That means this is the value of your x, this is the value of your x, this is the value of your y, this is the value of your z that you have to substitute here. It's equals to I vector of minus 3 into z value is equals to 1 minus 2 x is equals to 1 and z is equals to minus 1 0, then plus k vector of 4 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1, which is equals to I vector of minus 3 plus 2 plus j vector of minus 4 plus 2. Your curl F vector is equals to minus I vector minus 2k vector, which is the required solution of your curl F vector. Yes, Aditya, any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
It's a clear how to find the curl F vector.
Yes, ma'am.